we will check how to use the lists feature in SEON. What you can see now is the lists tab in the admin panel. We are on the add new section. Here we are able to import values or use the manual way as well. If we would like to import the values we would like to add to our list, then we can import a CSV file from our computer and we can choose the certain field we would like to add here, and as well we can choose the state to it, so we can add it to a blacklist, a whitelist, or any kind of custom list we can create in SEON. The other way we can add them to the blacklist is the manual input. Here we see the input field, the state again, and here we can add the value or maybe a comment if you wish to do so. Also we can choose an expiration date to it, so we don't have to get back to it if we want it to expire. We can check our blacklisted items here on the blacklist section, and also we have the whitelist the same way and the custom lists as well. Here we can search for any data field, any dates, and any values. We can also see the flagged fields here, flagged values. The other way we can use the list feature is to open a transaction, and on the transaction details page we have the list widget, and if you click change we can see all these different values here that we can add to a blacklist or a whitelist, or we can choose a custom list for it.